Alright, my friend, let's take a sip of this beautiful coffee and let's get to work. If you have a hobby and you have been doing it for quite some time now, you have one unique advantage. You already know what you're talking about. When you understand your craft, whatever your craft may be, it can be playing guitar, it can be painting, hiking, cooking, pottery, gardening, woodworking, or it can even be tinkering with electronics, for example. And when you enjoy doing this hobby and when you lose track of time while doing this hobby, the only natural thing that comes to mind is, damn, I wish I could do this hobby full time, right? But here's the biggest reason why that dream can become reality. You actually already have the knowledge and the experience to help other people. Now, you might be wondering, there are already a ton of other people who are already earning money from doing this thing that I am doing as a hobby, and how can I possibly stand out? But here's the truth, you don't need to be an expert, you don't need to have a massive following, or you don't need to be better than everyone else to add value to someone's life. Just think about it, how many times have friends ask you for advice about your hobby? And you have probably answered their questions without hesitation and explained things in a way that made it so simple to them to understand it. That's basically the proof of your experience, of your expertise. And if you can help someone understand your craft, the only thing missing is sharing this knowledge with much bigger audience. And this is where YouTube comes in. Let me just share a quick story from my own journey. Now, when I started my YouTube channel, my first YouTube channel, it was called How To channel. Now it's called Rookie Handyman. And I simply wanted to share my passion for fixing things around the house because I was always fixing things, and I just thought, damn, why not film what I'm doing and put it out there, and maybe I can possibly earn some money from it. Who knows? We will see. I was just hoping that I will earn some money, but trust me, it wasn't easy at all. It took me 20 months to reach my first 1000 subscribers, and I had moments of doubt. I was wondering if anyone would ever watch my videos, but basically I just kept uploading and uploading, and eventually it started to click a little bit for me. Now, the good news is you don't have to spend 20 months to hit your first 1000 subscribers. With the right strategy, you can get there much faster. But first, let's talk about the biggest obstacles that hold people back from starting a YouTube channel, and let's talk about how to overcome them. The obstacle number one that everyone faces is a fear of judgment. Now, a fear of criticism or a fear of being not good enough holds so many people back. But remember, no one starts out perfect. The only way to get better is by taking action, by learning from each video, and by improving over time. That's the only way you can get better. The obstacle number two is so many people don't know where to start. The process of setting up a YouTube channel, choosing equipment, and figuring out what to talk about can be overwhelming. But here's the truth, you don't need expensive gear or advanced editing skills to get started. What matters the most is sharing your passion and helping others to understand your hobby. And obstacle number three that most people face is staying consistent on a YouTube journey. We all know that life gets busy, and it can be discouraging when it feels like no one is watching your videos, and it can be very easy to quit just before you hit your goal. And this is where having a clear plan and the right guidance makes all the difference in the world. When you know what to focus on, you can stay motivated, and you can keep creating content, and you can keep growing your channel. And this is exactly why I have created a free PDF guide that will walk you through 14 simple steps that will help you to turn your hobby into a profitable YouTube channel. This guide will help you with choosing the right niche for you and how to stand out from the rest of the crowd. It will help you to set up your channel in the right way already from the beginning. It will help you to create videos that will attract and engage with your viewers, and it will help you to stay consistent and to grow your audience. So if you're ready to share your passion with the world and maybe even turn it into a full-time income, Click the link below to download this free guide and take your first step toward building a successful YouTube channel. Because if you already know what you're going to talk about, the world is basically waiting to hear from you. And when you start seeing comments from other people thanking you for sharing your passion, thanking you for helping them, every minute of your effort will feel worth it. Trust me, there is nothing more rewarding than knowing that your content made a positive impact on someone. I'm gonna end this video with the simple 3 actionable steps that you can take today to start your YouTube journey. Number 1 is to set up your YouTube channel. Basically, just choose a channel name that reflects your hobby and create your channel. Don't worry about making it perfect, just get started. Number 2 is come up with 5 video ideas. Basically, write down 5 topics that you can create videos about. Think about most common questions about your hobby or some simple tutorials that you can show people how to do. And step number 3 is to simply script and film your first video. For the scripting part, just outline whatever you want to say in your first video. Just grab your phone or whatever camera you have and start recording. Do not overthink it. The key is to take the action. So stop doubting yourself. Take that first step, share your hobby with the world and start earning additional income from it. Remember, the best way to learn and to improve is by doing. Take these steps today and before you know it, you'll be on your way to building a successful YouTube channel. Let's get to work, my friend. Take your hobby out there and start living your life.